In this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install Qwen 3.6 using Ollama. So first here, opening this place command prompt, and now thereafter let's write the cs command. Now if I write there Ollama minus minus version, so you can see 20.7 is there. Now if I write there Ollama, then this selected there. Thereafter let's use this right arrow. Then you can see our Qwen 3.5 is there. This all models are there. So there I'm going to install this Qwen. Okay, Qwen 3.6. So here opening the command prompt, let's use the cls, and there we need to use this command Ollama, then run, and here write this Qwen 3.6. So Ollama run Qwen 3.6, press enter. So here you can see pulling manifest, and the download of Qwen 3.6 is now started here. Total size you can see 23 GB is there. Okay, so 23 GB is the size this will take, and this will take this much times, and this is the downloading width 8.2 MB per second. 3.6 this here, pulling manifest 100%, writing manifest, and this success there. After that there you can write any kind of message. Let's write there hi, and here opening this command prompt, let's use the cls this place, and now this is currently thinking. Or if you write to this place Ollama run Qwen 3.6, then you can or directly here get to send a message kind of things. So here you can also write there, let's write hello. This here, when I given hello, this is thinking, analyzing the user say hello, and if I here go back there, if I write give hi, this is analyzing, and after that hi there, how can I help you today, this is returning there. So this is how we can do the installation of Qwen locally with the help of Ollama. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.